Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Champagne S3 here guys, back again, and I got a few things I want to update everyone on what I've done in the car in the past week or so, and I got a bunch of other parts that I'm going to be throwing on the car. So I just want to show you guys what's going on the car and what the coming videos are going to be. But before I get into all that, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the local car community. I'm part of a group, I'm an admin of part of a group called ONMQB. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. I'm gonna link our Instagram right here, guys. This is for all MQB vehicles, GTIs, Golf Rs, S3s, A3s, RS3s even, and obviously there's a few more I'm probably forgetting. We're trying to promote a nice, safe environment for like-minded enthusiasts with no stupidness. So if you guys are from Ontario, you guys probably figured or heard that the local car scene has gotten kind of crazy. A lot of these takeovers been going on, and car enthusiasts have been getting a lot of negative heat, and we're being profiled. So a lot of guys, you know, are kind of concerned about coming out, being more active in the community. So I think smaller knit groups, and you know, people who know each other, I think this is the way that we can kind of help avoid running into issues like that. So I think this is a good start. For those of you that are already in the group, I think this is a good opportunity to introduce some of the rest of the admin team. And you know, some of them offer services, so it's good to kind of introduce them and, you know, kind of showcase what they do if you guys are interested to check that out. And basically, I'm just a simple car enthusiast who enjoy making videos about his car and the progress, and I just enjoy helping people out. So guys, if you have any questions about any of the things that I've done in the car, don't be afraid to hit me up. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Don't mind the mess here, guys. I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I've done. So see my exhaust video, I just want to show you where I ended up putting the remote for the valves. So I put it actually right here. I double-sided taped it on the back. It's actually a cover that just kind of covers it up. But I felt that it kind of flows a little bit with the theme here, because obviously there's some silver accents and black. So I think it, you know, fits really well over here. And it's low enough that, you know, while I'm driving, I can just switch it on and off. Pretty accessible. Also, guys, I did swap out my OEM seats for basically pre-facelift OEM seats. So I honestly prefer the pre-facelift just because I feel like it's a little bit more individualized for the car, for the S3. So these say S3. Obviously, the facelifted seats only have an S on there. And one huge difference is they came in colored insert options. For the facelifted S3, it's only just either the all black, I think there's a magma red, and then obviously the super sport seats, which are sick. I don't know, I just can't justify losing powered options for a seat like that. This is what I chose to go with. I'm probably gonna look at aftermarket seats sometime in the future. And of course, I had to put on the seat decals from Restless Decals. I'm gonna link his Instagram here. But these are the seats come stock, so you can go from this to looking like this. Honestly, I think this makes such a nice touch to the interior. Simple, but I think it makes a big difference. And obviously, guys, if you have missed my last video, check it out. It was the install video for the X-Force exhaust. I've also installed the carbon fiber mirror caps. If you guys are interested in how to do this, check the link above. I've done a similar video before. So we're going to talk about a few of the mods that I'm doing. We're going to start from some of the more simpler things. So here we actually got the rear emblem, the blacked out emblem. So I know I will probably make another quick fix video for this, but I'm still kind of have mixed emotions about this. So let's take a quick look. So, you know, sometimes the blacked out look is good, but I do like how having this it as silver really kind of stands out, especially with the exhaust tips. So I'm kind of undecided right now if I actually want to switch these up, but it's easy enough to put on. So I think if I try it and if I don't like it, I can easily swap it out. Next thing I got are some vent rings. I personally do like the RS3 vents quite a bit. I've been kind of looking for them, but like to do a swap, they're pretty expensive. They're like 400, 300 euro. So essentially what it is, I'm not sure if these are going to work, because they said they work for the pre-facelift, but I think they might work for here. I just got to pull the vent off, pop off the black piece, and see if they're going to fit. Of course, guys, I'm going to look to, you know, just paint these, go with all black, and have the red accent here. Next up, we have the Varick Smart Box. Now, this, guys, is part of my X-Force exhaust. This is an add-on where you have further customization for the exhaust, RPM dependent, location dependent. You can go full manual mode and adjust it to how you want it to sound throughout the rev range. It's really cool. I want to showcase the features of this, and I think a separate video is due for this. Next on the list, guys, we got our street density engine and transmission mounts from 034 Motorsport. Shout outs to them, guys. We also got brand new hardware to throw this in, might as well. Now, this is to further help eliminate wheel hop and get a better 60 foot off of launch. So, guys, excited to throw this on. Why I decided to go with the street density, I am looking for improvement on my launch. However, I still somewhat daily this car, somewhat. So comfort is a huge thing for me as well. So I'm looking for improvement with as little increase in NVH as possible, if that makes sense. So I think these are a great option to go with, guys, if you want some performance increase while keeping the noise, vibration, and harshness to a minimum. So we talked about this in one of my other videos, but we have a few phases that we're going to do for mods for our steering wheel. So this is the first one, which is a smooth leather, red stitching, black emblem, and I actually have a steering wheel cover kit on the way, which is perforated leather, Alcantara on the sides, and red stitching. I basically want to make the front of the vehicle be black and red accents. Now, to top that up, and I think which makes this really special, is I decided to try out this kit with start and stop buttons. So, guys, this is going to be sick. If you've guys seen the Audi R8 or the TTRS, I believe the TTRS has these buttons. I think it gives just a more sporty look to the steering wheel. So I'm really excited to test this out, show you guys how to install it, and hopefully this works out, because if it doesn't work, I'm going to be heartbroken. Last but not least, guys, I am really super excited to throw this on the car, guys. This product has not been officially released. There are some currently out in the wild, but I am happy to throw this on the car and do some testing with the new fuel rail from DBV2. Now, guys, I cannot disclose, the specifics about the, the size of the rail, the size of the fittings and whatnot, obviously because it hasn't been released yet. So if you guys got any questions about this, be sure to hit up DBV2 with any questions. Essentially what this is, it's a higher volume fuel rail. So really looking forward to this, to throwing on the car and doing a few logs to show for you guys. And of course, guys, it comes with some top-notch fittings. That's pretty much all I got going on for the car. I'm just waiting on the steering wheel kit for the car. I think that's pretty much it. I don't have anything really planned or lined up, but guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a little update, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching again. We'll catch you on the next one.